Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLER. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one before. Don't remember the last time I did it, but nonetheless, hopefully it's not too shocking to see why I'm doing it right now. Massive volume and, more importantly, bullish price reaction. So I can see why I got so many requests and just kind of, hey, look at this one, messages today. And that brings up the first point that I think gets overlooked a lot. There's nothing worse than seeing big volume come in like this and then seeing the price either go sideways or, worse yet, down. That was not the case today with GLER. Big volume came in, big price reaction, so it shows that the price still does have the ability to move when above average volume comes in. So what I want to do now is just map out some supports and resistance levels. That way everybody's on the same page from a charting perspective. So support-wise, some pretty big ones were converted from resistances into supports today. The key one being this pink line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average valued at 0011. Again, that was a resistance going into today, but just basic technical analysis, when the price closes above a resistance, it automatically becomes a support. So 0011 is this first initial level of support, and it's also the ideal level of support, meaning if you were to ask me, hey Clay, what would make the chart look the absolute strongest and most appealing, it would be if the price can remain above 0011, but by no means is that required to be able to hold. Now, a little bit more important level of support is going to be right down here at this level right there, and that is at 0008. So 0008 carries more weight in terms of supports, whereas you'd like to see that level hold. But if it doesn't, the absolute must hold, no excuses level is going to be right down here at 0006. 0006, so I'll emphasize that and make that thicker, is the no excuse level. If this move has any true genuine strength behind it, then 0006 should have no problem holding. Now, I'm not saying it's going to get tested, but if it does, it needs to be able to hold because, like I said, if it gets tested and if this truly has genuine strength behind it, it should have no problem holding strong as support. Now, for the fun stuff, the resistance levels. The first level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be simply where the profit taker stepped in today. That is up here at 0017, and then after that, first get this changed over to red to represent resistance, and then that level of resistance will be followed by another level up here at this previous high, and that is at 0022. Not going to get too far ahead of myself with closes above here. I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart. But in its current state, great start. And if this is the beginning of some sort of reversal, what a big way to kind of come booming back and say, hey, remember me. So good start to what's hopefully going to be a nice bounce for everybody that's involved. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd like to direct your attention down here to my private trading group. What it is, it's a group of traders from beginners up to advanced traders, and I send out my weekly personal scans and watch list to an exclusive newsletter. And then we also have a live chat room feature coming soon where you can hang out with me and other quality traders and stay on top of current market events in real time. I should note, though, that when the chat room does become available, there will be a change in pricing structure. I promise that's not some sort of sales gimmick. The price really will change. So I'd encourage you to check it out right now and take advantage of the current offer. And at the end of the day, don't take my word for it, but I would ask that you click on the testimonials up here, read what other members are saying so you can get a good third-party perspective. One more time, this was GLER. Thanks for listening.